All of these are bottom 40 hits that we've written just for you. So thank you all for mandatorily having to be there. Everyone ready? Don't listen to him. We got a long, long way to go. And yet death speaks the truth.
He called me up, said, hey, do you want to meet up for dinner tonight? We met a local burrito place called Chipotle. He talked about what he wanted to do and said, let's make some music and eat burritos all the time. And he was like, I don't know. And I said, well, I'll pay for your burrito tonight. And he goes, okay, I'm in. He had me at burrito.
Did we play before we recorded?
No. Literally, okay, we met at Chipotle that night. The next day, we recorded those 2 songs that are on
a 7-inch.
The 7-inch we released first.
I had a couple songs already written, and basically he listened to them, and then an hour later was recording drums to him. So it was a very wing it scenario. We just kind of like, oh, let's just see what happens. It'll either be good or we'll hit delete.
Hey, still not a lot to say. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. Maybe I can't give up the fight till I'm gone. Hey, my bags are packed.
We hit some blank stares sometimes, but they end up being very positive blank stares. The people will be like, this is good. I think this is good, right? This is good. And their friends like, I think I like this. And they'll be like, yeah, I think this is good. You never want walls. You never want boundaries. You never want the thing that goes, here's exactly to a pinpoint of what you sound like. I think the whole idea of art is to keep pushing those boundaries and breaking those walls. And when we're writing a record or something, we don't think like, okay, well, here's what we do. We just write what we feel like needs to be written at that moment, and whatever people sort of want to call that is fine.
But I feel that I might be singing alone. Clouds without rain, I shall never be.
The singer of Stick to Your Guns said we were the Harlem Globetrotters of rock and roll. And I think he meant it as a compliment.